Watch what Khan Academy and TED Ed are quietly building, and a picture of 2036 comes into focus. One-to-one tutoring, free, for any child anywhere. If that arrives, the question for a UK family changes. It is no longer just which school, but which habits a child carries into a very different decade. For 200 years, school has meant one teacher, one pace, 30 children. Content delivered to the room, and the child who fell behind stayed behind. The future these platforms point to is the opposite, a path shaped around one learner, moving at their own pace, mastering each idea before the next. When good teaching is no longer scarce, what a family pays for has to change. The famous research behind this is Bloom's 2 Sigma result. A child with a one-to-one tutor outperforms the average classroom child by 2 whole standard deviations. For decades, that was a luxury, far too costly to give every child. What these platforms signal is that the cost is now approaching zero. So the way to act on 2036 today is simple. Give your child a tutor that asks before it tells and lets them finish the thinking themselves. This is what that looks like at home. Mentor sits at the center of a whole faculty of Socratic tutors across maths, English, and the sciences. Each one teaches the way Sal Khan describes, a question first, then a hint, never the finished answer. One calm hub means a child meets every subject in the same patient, mastery-minded way. And a future-fit tutor still puts the child first. Before any work, mentor checks the energy. Green means push the difficulty. Amber means keep it light and core only. Red means rest, because no platform on earth helps a tired mind learn. Well-being comes before the worksheet, today and in 2036. Your Year 8 finishes university, or doesn't, in 2036. There is still time to build the right habits. We are now inviting the first 100 founding member families to start, with a faculty built for the decade ahead. You are warmly welcome to aitutors.me.
Learn more at atutors.me.